Tattoos and hair nets. Tattoos and hair nets. Yeah, tattoos and hair nets. Hey, welcome to the club, or my channel, and my club. Hey, welcome to my club. Anyways, I hope you like this little installment of Fallout 4. Just gonna play a little bit. Been playing Advanced Warfare. Played last night. Check out my video of that if you want to. Played Black Ops 3 last night also. Check that out also on my Twitch page, twitch.tv/Goose781. Alright. See where we are. We are at the Red Rocket. What the hell is going on? God, this is so slow. Hi. How you doing? How you doing there? Pete. Alright. What to do, what to do, what to do. Weather Vane, Commonwealth Bank. Put that on the map. Commonwealth Bank. Weather Vane at Commonwealth Bank. Obviously, I haven't been there yet. Set up a Mila. Why not? Why not? Why not set up a Mila? Why not? Gun's too long to be having fun with. But whatever. Oh. Wonder if that did do that. Let's see. Yeah, I did go right to my Twitter account. Sweet. Uh-oh. He's gonna get back up. He's gonna die. Not the gun I want to be using right now, though. I'll see other. Oh, there he is. They're always here. Always here. You know what? Uh-oh. I hear a nuclear turd. Alright, where do I need to go? Up to the bank. Uh-oh. Hi. Where am I at right now? What is this? What is this building? Don't know. Don't know what this building is. Come on, dog meat. The woogie meat. Oh, got some tunes in here. Yeah, baby, what's up? Where am I at? I know what building I'm in. Like a bank, I guess.
Terminal's gotta be somewhere.
That's right there. Great. Locked out. I really need to bump up my hacking skills. I really do. Hey, we're in. How's that? Liking this.
Got
Loot. Targeting agitated no. Technical document. Expert this time. Oh. Got it.
Sweet.
Shotgun shells. Oh. Look at that. Crap. All of this is pre-war money. Gold watch. Pre-war money. I don't need folders. That sucks. Sure looks like a bank vault, doesn't it? That's it? All that for that? Wait. Fucking kidding me? What is this? Financial district. Well, I hope whoever's following me is enjoying what I'm doing so far. Although I'm just trying to figure shit out where I'm gotta go. I don't know where I have to go. At least I'm going away from where I need to go. Not cool. Oh, I am in the Commonwealth Bank. Sweet. Oh, come on. Wouldn't it show up if I was in it? Why hasn't it shown up? That's just weird. Huh, first try.
Nice.
Nice, yeah. First try. Anything else in this place? Nope. Anything in these? New. Glowing fungi. I don't want to go there. I want to go up. Gotta get to the top. This goes down on me pissed. Oh, it's going up. Good. Well, damn. There it is. Don't want to go out there, do I? Shit. This sucks. Now I'm playing and this doesn't feel fast enough after playing Advanced Warfare and Black Ops last night. Black Ops is slow anyways, but Advanced Warfare is just off the charts. Hey, where? That's why I gotta take it. Sweet, now I gotta go back to Tinkering Tom. He's awesome. Kind of reminds me of like Orlando Jones or whatever that black actor's name is. He's pretty funny. Going down. Go to Tinkering Tom. Oh, I got up here, right? I love the music. Yeah, baby. Snap your fingers. Do a little jig. Oh yeah, this is good times. I don't know how many of these Milas I got set up, but I'm done like 5 so far. Yeah, baby. Dog meat. What's up, dude? I'll find that nuclear turd.
Buckethead will show up. Clean off.
Nasty water. Where's Tinker and Tom at? Going the wrong goddamn direction. Do. All right. Now what? Go talk to Tinker and him.
Hi.
Lazy freak. I'm not coming to you. You're fucking asleep.
Another Mila placed and even more data. Could always use more Mila's placed.
Are you fucking kidding me? Really? How many goddamn Milas we have?
But if you're here to check out the latest and greatest, that's good.
You got some latest and greatest?
You got it.
You got some latest and greatest stuff there, pal? Well, I need 9 just to get to how it works. 5, 6, 6. Where am I at on that? Oh yeah. Take those.
walked the Freedom Trail. By yourself.
Sure did, pal. Walked it by myself, man. Had dog meat with me, I think. Either dog meat or Kate. But yeah, that was me.
Let's get them out of the colony safely.
Sorry for the clearing of the throat. I'm not feeling too good today. Got me a little head cold. Do 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 do. Step on your skeleton. There you are. I'll say if I missed that, then I'm blind. I'm blind. Now where do I gotta go? Weather vane on back feet apparel. Let's do it. I heard about this idiot savant. Just make yourself the most idiotic, no intelligence, and I guess every time you kill someone, it makes it funny, or some quirky little laugh. Kind of funny. One of my buddies was telling me about it. He wants me to create one. I'm thinking about doing it just to have fun. How the hell did you see me? Oh, dog meat? Did you see dog meat? Come on. Come on, jump up there. Oh shit. I'll take another mine. Take some more 5.56. Where did that other machine gun turret stuff go to? There's one. There's a piece of it. All right. So far, I've been doing my own questing. Did my own little thing, and found every bobblehead. That was kind of fun. No, don't kill Billy. Not Billy.
You picked the wrong fight.
No, I picked the right one. Where you at, dickhead? Come on, Icehole. Show me your face, Icehole.
Ain't personal. Just you or me.
It's gonna be you. Not gonna be me. Stop talking to me. Oh, look, Karen.
Fucking coward, Hines.
Yeah, well, I'm a fucking coward.
No sign of him now. I don't like it. Hey, let's go eat. I'm starving. You can eat when I'm damn sure we're not about to get jumped.
Think you can hide?
Always were a fucking hard ass.
I know I can hide.
I'm still alive.
Can you?
And since I got your sorry ass to watch my back, I'm not trying to keep you alive. Now shut up and go back to your patrol. Don't get your panties in a twist.
Muffled, girded leather. Take a subway token, thank you. I saw that. Oh yeah.
That's it.
Oh, why'd I miss a scroll on a stick? Gotta have a scroll on a stick. I want that, I need that. Move, dog meat. Asshole. I love that, that's awesome. Oh, teddy bear. You know what though? I think I'm gonna take some steel. These. Can always use steel.
Yo. Psst.
Oh, shut up. Stop talking.
This is gonna be fun.
Where you at, dog meat? That is behind me. How did I miss that?
That's it.
Take another stealth boy. Hey, I got another viewer. Welcome to my channel. Kind of chilling, playing a little Fallout, having some fun. The only thing I wish the PS4 had was it would show like who popped in and who was viewing. That's the only thing I'm missing on the PS4 compared to like other ones who are using PC. So that's the only bad thing about it. Teddy bear. Got yourself a teddy bear. But I'm looking at this Elgato HD streaming thing. Supposed to have some overlays I can use on PS4. That should clear that up once I get it. Not cheap, but I'm gonna try it, see if it works. Give it an old college try. Nick Valentine. End of the world. Fallout 4. Well, if you guys want me to do something, show you the bobbleheads, do something, I don't know. I got all of them at my sanctuary estate. This way. Go talk to Tinkering Tom again. Apparently he has like 50 of these Milas to set out. What is that? That's a statue. I was about ready to light that dude up. Oh, I see meat bags. I see a super mutant herd. Oh, how'd I miss that? There you go. Now I'm all twitchy from playing Advanced Warfare. Bottle caps in a meat bag. That's a good place for them. Got his own little cush little apartment set up there, man. Don't want to miss the launcher. Take the board though. I need some wood. Wood and steel. That's what I need. Wood and steel. Wrong direction. Keep going this way. Need any cigarettes? Oh, bottle caps. I haven't seen a cigarette vending machine since like 1996. That was a lucid Gen A, yeah. That was pretty fun. They're all killing each other in there. That was pretty good stuff. Hate it when I'm crouched. Oh shit. Really? There you go, asshole. Cunning combat right leg. Great. Alright. Well, that was fun, wasn't it? Automatic assault rifle. God, I hate those goddamn death claws. Hi, Mr. Handy. How are you? I'm not gonna. Okay. I don't see any movement. Oh, no, I do.
Find him and kill him.
Come find me, dickhead.
No need to hide. It'll be over soon.
Where you at, turd? There you are.
Face. Come on.
God damn. What is this? Let's try that. I'm not even gonna hit.
Think you can hide?
Yeah, I do, matter of fact.
Dead.
Really?
Made a big mistake
Disappearing, Anton.
Where are you at? Where are you? Come out wherever you are. You can trust me. Oh, whatever. I'm gonna go looking for you. Am I?
Where'd that little fucker go?
Right in front of you, pal. Right where you want me to be. Come on, asshole.
There you are, you little bastard.
Called my dog a little bastard. That's what you get. Call my dog a little bastard. Oh, okay. Okay, going. What's up, board? Oh man, I love this game. So slow. So slow. The time suck. Total time suck. I'm playing for 44 minutes. I feel like I've done absolutely nothing other than place Mila's, kill a Deathclaw, a couple super mutants. I guess I've done a lot. This feels like you haven't done anything. Always get lost down here. Crazy. So anyways, I hope you're enjoying it. Pump up the volume. Dance. Tinker! Where you at, Tinker? You know, I'm hungry. I think I'm gonna go get something to eat. I'm gonna take a break after.
Ideas on how to kit out deliverer.
Oh,
Make your
wow.
super badass gun even more, well, more. So check out my stock.
Okay.
I'll take a look.
Made a new batch of whatnots for you.
Sweet. Sounds good, man. Tinker Tom's Special. Not paying for it. I think I have one just like it. Anything good in your bed?
Hey.
Hey, you placed another one of my babies. Bring in that yummy data. Could always use more Mila's place.
Oh my god, seriously? How many goddamn Milas you have, dude?
But if you're here to check out the latest and greatest, that's good.
Maybe later.
Whatever you say, my friend.
For every cent that makes it out, there's a round on me.
Oh, that sounds just delightful. Round on you. So, I am going to take a break, guys. I'll be back on after I get something to eat. I should be streaming until about 1 o'clock Pacific Standard Time for you guys. But I hope you enjoyed what I've done today so far. I'm going to be doing more Milas, I guess. Although I don't want to. Can't go into these. Yeah, that'd be awesome. Go into a crypt. But, yeah, I've had a little bit of fun this morning. I'll do it again in about an hour. Take a little hour break. I'll do one thing for you before I go. I'm going to go to Sanctuary. I'll show you my bobblehead collection and my magazine collection. I almost have 3 full racks of the various magazines and comic books and stuff. Very much Sanctuary setup. It's okay. Not overly defended, but it works. I'm gonna red rocket so I can come through the front gate of Sanctuary so you can see my front gate setup. Tell me what you think. Red rocket. I have a little well, actually, let's do this real quick. That off for a second. I have a nice little bachelor pad on top of Red Rocket. Kind of cool too. Haven't got it set up yet though, but got it mostly set up. Show you that really quick like. You know what I wish this game had really? It was like digging tools. You know, you can actually dig into the ground, kind of do your own thing. Make a bunker in the ground. That'd be kind of cool. You know, build up some sort of bunker type scenario on the ground. There's my little Shangri-La on top of Red Rocket. Like I said, I don't have this all set up yet. Kind of building and stuff and grabbing stuff. This is what I got going on in here. And the top of it, little top here, big ass generator. I don't like the way those little ones sound. Don't like that. This is my Red Rocket establishment. I like it. Pretty cool. But I wouldn't say my pride and joy, but this is what I spend most of my time building up on. Sanctuary. Got me my front gate with my flags hanging. Got me American. Got the old Minuteman and the Brotherhood of Steel on the other side. Got me one of those things. Here's my big one. This is where I hang my hat most of the time. But y'all, got me a pool table. This is a PS4, so everything's very vanilla. There's no mods out yet. There's my bobblehead collection, as well as my magazine racks. What do you think? You like that? Cool. I like it. Up here is my army of power armor. I like it. Got me a jetpack Vault Tech T-51. I should have a Vault Tech. Where is? Oh, there it is. An X01 with a jetpack. Got a bunch of them. Still trying to find a right leg and a helmet for the last one. That's the last thing I need. Got a couple other ones that need some Need some stuff put on. Got a couple Raider ones. Nice Raider power armor. And here's my other Stealth Boy T60. Brotherhood of Steel. Got that. Well, doing some Brotherhood of Steel stuff. That is my long gun, and I still couldn't kill him with it. That's bullshit. Huh. 102 damage might be why. What the hell, man? Throwing all my junk. Look at that damage on that thing. That's awesome. That in there. Can I do anything with that thing? Let's see. Advanced receiver. Got that. Standard barrel. Full barrel. I'll do that. Comfort grip. Yeah, I got that. Flex sight. Yeah, got that. Little mini recon scope. Takes it to 149 on range. Huh. Pumps up the value too. Huh. That's cool. Put that back. Leave it alone. Drop a few of these grenades. What else I got? Don't need that. Don't need that. Don't need that. That. Weighing me down. Oh, I can make some heat. Give me some. Alright, what do we got? Let's cook it up. No, I don't want to do that. Let's do that. Death Claw. Make any soups? Ooh, I can't make vegetable. Oh, make a couple of them. How about utility? Yeah, I can always make that. Alright. Alright, what do you think, guys? You like that? You like this whole little setup, little lounge right here, little area to chill out? Actually, you know what? Oh, I'm here.
You gotta help. They've kidnapped
Oh my god,
friend.
seriously? Did they really? They kill it? They kidnapped
It's
your
okay.
friend?
You just need to tell me what happened.
They said they'd be back for the ransom.
That's why I put a helmet on you, because you're
If
ugly.
I don't pay up, they'll kill her. I don't have that kind of money.
Oh, well, I'll help.
Do you know where they took her?
I'm pretty
Not
sure.
right now, but I'm gonna
I'll
help.
mark it on your map.
Thank you.
Don't worry. I'll get her back.
Thank you. Thank you.
If
I
she's
didn't
as
know
ugly
what I
as
was
you,
going
I don't
to
know if I
do.
want her back.
Just bring her back safe, okay?
Do. this over here? There we go. That looks better. And what else am I doing? I don't want to do that fucking kidnapping thing yet. Alright guys, I'll be back on in about an hour or so. Hope you enjoyed this little installment of Fallout 4. I thoroughly did. Bad boy's on. How do I look now? There you go. Now you're pimping. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Have a good day, and I'll see you in about an hour.